controller drift can significantly affect your gaming experience in FIFA 24. Follow these steps to address and potentially boost your controller's performance. Step 1. Clean the controller. Ensure that your controller is free from dust and debris. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks and buttons. This can help eliminate any dirt that may be causing drift. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Access the controller settings in FIFA 24 and adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the sensitivity of the sticks, minimizing the impact of drift during gameplay. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve performance and fix issues like drift. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to update your controller. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrating your controller can help reset its sensitivity and responsiveness. Follow the specific instructions for your console or PC to recalibrate the controller and ensure it is functioning correctly. Step 5. Consider replacement. If the drift persists despite cleaning, adjusting settings, and updating firmware, it may be time to consider a replacement. Look for controllers known for their durability and performance to enhance your gaming experience. By following these steps, you can address controller drift and improve your gameplay in FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming.